sick. Sick. Fuck me. Oh. Okay. Well, we're gonna get a magnet and get that later, because it fell down there where the spare tire is. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get a regular ratchet. All right, well, in true mechanic fashion, we drop shit. There's bugs all in the goddamn backyard. Now I gotta... Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the spare tire later and grab that, because we are gonna need it at some point to make sure our fuel pump seals correctly. So I will get it, just not gonna get it right now. Just won't be right this second.